Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is doing well and feeling well. Today we are going to feature one of our family favorites, and that is crispy baked potato. Now this is a unique way to bake a potato if you like to eat the skins and it's, crispy skin. So what you're going to do first, you have your potatoes. So I got 2 potatoes and olive oil and kosher salt. Those are all you need to start this recipe. And a nice bowl or platter or whatever you can put in the oven. I know a lot of people use a microwave baked potato, but believe me, this is a delicious way to bake a potato if you like that crispy outside and fluffy inside. Okay, so first what you want to do first, number 1, is wash your hands and also wash your potatoes and scrub them, because you're going to be eating the outside of these potatoes. And then you're going to take your olive oil, pour about 2 tablespoons in your bowl or a platter or whatever you're going to use, and roll your potatoes into the olive oil and coat them really good. Okay, both potatoes, just roll it in there really good. Make sure they're coated very well. Okay, then we're going to take a knife or fork or whatever. We're going to punch a few holes in them. Just be careful when you punch your holes. Just a few. You don't have to do a lot of them. Okay. Okay. Now what you're going to do is coat those with kosher salt. And it needs to be kosher salt now, so you can get that good crispy outside. So we're going to sprinkle those really heavy in kosher salt. And that olive oil will help it stick to the potato. And my daughter fixed this and said it was so awesome. So now she has a new way to fix baked potato. Okay. And that's all you have to do. And you're going to put them in a preheated oven at 350 and let them bake for about an hour and 20 minutes. And that's all it is to it. It's real easy. Great for the holiday that's coming up if you want baked potatoes in a unique way. And so what we're gonna do is put these in the oven. My oven, like I said, is set at 350, and we're gonna bake those uncovered for at 350 for an hour and 20 minutes. Now these are smaller potatoes, so I may not have to keep them in there. It's just based on the size of your potato. So I would say anywhere from an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. So I'll return when they're finished. Okay, here are my potatoes. And they're ready to cut open. I let them sit for about 3 minutes. And now I'm going to cut them open and put my butter in there. So when I cut them, I kind of cut them crossways, like that. And then I kind of puff them up like that. See that? Cross, I can make an X all the way across. And then be careful because they're awful hot inside. And then you want to put your butter inside while it's hot, of course. And you can put sour cream, chives, or cheese, whatever you want in your potato. But these are so good. And they sure make a beautiful table setting for Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas. You can put them out and kind of jazz them up a little bit by putting different toppings on them. Some people put bacon on them, but I'm going to just put this butter, and I put probably just a little cheese. You can put also salsa. I've also seen it with salsa on it, so you can get a real good look. I'm gonna put a little black pepper on it, and let's put a little black, because I kind of like mine plain, but you can do it however you want it. Put it like that. And put just a little salt, because the salt you put on it was for the outside. So I'll put a little salt for the outside, for the inside. And I'm going to put just a little cheese on mine. Okay. So here's the potatoes with the butter and cheese and salt and pepper. And I'm going to put a little chives on it. But like I said, you can put whatever you want on your potato. It's your creation. Okay? And that's it. You will see how fluffy it is. And crunchy on the outside. I'm going to give it a taste and see how flaky it is. Oh, wow. That looks so good. See? Wow, that looks delicious. Taste it. That is great. So, if you like this recipe, please thumbs up and comment on it. And subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. And also share it with a friend or neighbor. I hope you try this, though, for the holiday, or any day for that matter, but especially for the holiday, because you can actually cut them in halves and serve them like little hors d'oeuvre type potatoes. But do try it and let me know how you like it. And I hope everybody have a safe holiday if I don't get back with you before then. But be careful, be safe, and love, love.